Today we're going to read a story called Time to Plant. All right, here are the cast. Beth, Mike, Gramps, Dad, Mom, Miss White, and the narrator. Beth: Dad, can we plant a garden? Dad: Yes, that will be fine. Gramps: We can plant vegetables. Mike: Yum, let's do it together. Mom: Dad and I will dig. Mike: I will drop in 5 seeds. Gramps: I will set in green plants. Beth: And I will get the water. Narrator: Days pass, the sun shines, rain plinks and plunks. Beth: I can spot buds on the vines. Dad: Sun and water made them grow. Narrator: Days pass, the sun shines, rain drips and drops. Beth: The vegetables got big. Dad: We should pick them. Mom: Yes, it's time. Mike: I like to munch while I pick. I will take a bite. Yum. Gramps: Sun and water made them ripe. Narrator: They pick piles and piles. Beth: Yikes, that's a lot. Mike: We can't eat them all. Gramps: I think I have a plan. Mike: This bag is for you. Miss White: They are such pretty vegetables, thank you. Beth: Sun and water made them grow. All right. So what did the family do first in our story? First they planted a garden, right? And the plants then what? Got bigger and bigger and bigger, and they grew, right? And then after they grew, what did they do? That's right, they picked them. And they had so much vegetables. And what did they do because they had so many? They shared them, right? They shared them with people. Do you think those people like Miss White enjoyed them? Yeah, that was so kind, right? They worked really hard on their garden and it produced amazing vegetables. All right, I want you to rewind the video and read it again with me. All right.